Welcome, today I've heard of me BLACKVIEWA70 and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So just press up or down volume button here on the right side of your device, and after that you'll see here the bell icon. Just click here twice on this bell icon, and here we can see the message that the calls and notifications will be muted. And this means that we just successfully activate the silent mode on our device. If you want to turn off the silent mode, just press again up or down volume button and then just click only once here on these bell icons, and now here we can see the message that our calls and notifications, they will ring. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.